where every dream begins. I don't need a silver crown. These two hands won't let me down. My hands never lied to me. They built the man I'm proud to be. Every scar tells my story. Every step belongs to me. Slowly climbing brick by brick. Nothing came with a lucky pick. I stand tall, I stand free. Hard work is my victory. My hands never lied to me. They built the man I'm proud to be. Every scar tells my story. Every step belongs to me. My hand, my destiny.
One more brick, one more day. Nothing ever came my way. Piece by piece I built this life. Through the struggle, through the fight. No easy road, no easy win. That's the fire burning within. Every brick I earn, every lesson learned, built a life so strong, right where I belong. Empty pockets, hopeful eyes. Dreams were bigger than the skies. Now I know what I am worth. Hard work gave my future birth. Every brick I earn, every lesson learned, built a life so strong, right where I belong. Brick by brick,
million stories still untold. No easy road beneath my feet. Only courage kept the beat. Dust and pouring rain, I embrace the joy and pain. Step by step I found my way, stronger than yesterday. No one worked for me. I earned my dignity. Every mile, every dream made me who I came to be. I stand tall. I stand free. I stand tall. I stand free. No one worked for me. I earned my dignity. Every mile, every dream made me who I came to be. Morning light upon my face, another dream I have to chase. Every drop upon my skin shows the fight I've always been in. Nothing came without the pain. Nothing good was ever plain. Sweat built my tomorrow, not my fear, not my sorrow. Every sunrise gave me hope. Every step helped me cope. Hands are tired, heart is strong. I've been walking all along. Now I see the road ahead, built by every tear I shed. Sweat built my tomorrow, not my fear, not my sorrow. Every sunrise gave me hope. Every step helped me cope. Tomorrow calls, and I won't fall. Long road written by my feet. Every loss made me complete. No regrets, no disguise. I can see it in my eyes. Every fall became my climb. One more step, one more time. Proud of the road I made. Never needed luck or fame. Every dream I hold today came from choices that I made. Through the wind and through the rain, nothing good comes without pain. Now I smile, now I know how far one heart can really go. Proud of the road I made. Never needed luck or fame. Every dream I hold today came from choices that I made. This road is mine, and I'll keep walking. This road is mine, and I'll keep walking. Proud of the road I made. Never needed luck or fame. Every dream I hold today came from choices that I made. Proud of the road I made. Never needed luck or fame. Every dream I hold today came from choices that I made.